Hello YouTube, RJ. Hey, just a quick update video. Um, Many of you know that I live in Central Florida, and currently we just went through a hurricane. Luckily, we didn't get a serious hit. We just had some cleaning up to do, but we're in the direct path of what's predicted to be a major hurricane coming through. So it is possible that you might not see me posting videos for the next few weeks, as we could very well be without electricity and internet. I live in a rural part of Florida. It can take quite a while to get services back to us. Sometimes we've been without power for, well over a week. Internet can be a problem. So I'm sure we're going to be fine. We've been through this a time or two, so it's not like we're unfamiliar with it. But it can be stressful. It can also be aggravating, but there's not much you can do about it. It's nature. So if you want to live in a tropical environment, this is what happens. We may be hit by this hurricane directly on. That's the prediction at this moment, is we'll have a major hurricane Wednesday morning hitting the coast of Florida directly in line with us. We'll have it passing right over us according to the current prediction. We're hoping that won't be true, but when we're hoping that, we're just dumping it on somebody else. So anyway, if we are offline for a few weeks, bear with me. I will be back. I haven't forgot about you guys. I'm just getting power back, getting everything taken care of. So I'll update you as soon as I can. And with a little bit of luck, maybe we won't get hit real hard, but it is what it is. Just a little freebie. Unibyte mentioned that our read tack that we showed in the last video, he brought up you could make it electronic by using speakers to vibrate it. And I thought that was a cool idea. And a lot of people chimed in and said, hey, yeah, do it, put music to it and do all that. Well, I'm not going to make a video and show you all of it, because I tried it. And I can tell you, I can drive sound to the point I'm out of the room, and this doesn't even wiggle. Nothing moves on this. And I thought that was interesting until I sat down for a moment and thought about it, pulled out the calculator, and realized that this thing goes up to 6,000 RPM. And if you think about it, that's 6,000 vibrations a minute, not second. So if you divide that by, 60, you get 100. So the absolute highest frequency this thing would be sensitive to is 100 hertz. Well, I don't have anything that can really generate serious amplitude at below 100 hertz. So basically just not going to do it. Even if I had a big bass here, I don't think it's going to be enough to do this. They're just the wrong frequency. It's outside the correct frequency span. I believe if this thing went up to, say, 20,000 RPM, I think we probably could get it to vibrate in areas, with sound, but it's just not working. I've tried MP3 players cranked out. I've used my signal generator to get low frequencies about to blow the speakers out. Nothing even wiggles this thing. I wasn't expecting that. So anyway, I'll let you know that I did give it a try. It didn't work. If somebody else figures out a way to make that happen, then, good for you. Let me know. Tell make a video, show us, tell us how it did it. I couldn't get it to do it. So there's no reason to waste time and make a video showing you that. So everybody be safe. Those in path of the hurricane with me, buckle down, hunch down, as we say, buckle it up tight and be safe. And we'll see you on the other side in the next video.